Hey guys, welcome to the crew. It's your boy Logan, and we're back at it again. We're back on that Madden 16, that ultimate team. Um, Man, these seasons are flying by. We are on our third season right now, and you know what that means? It means another pack bundle opening. I can't wait. Last season was fun, but rather frustrating. The team does need a little tweak. And what better way to do that than opening some packs? So we had bought the legendary pack for you guys. So we got a lot of packs to open. So let's get in. We'll just start with our quick sale pack. $2,000 coins, 2,000, 1K. I was kind of hoping for that million coins, but hey, we'll settle for 5.5. Let's see what we want to open next. You guys want to knock out this loyalty pack right quick? Cordell Patterson, loyalty. What is his speed on here? I think he's pretty fast. I think he can return speed 92. Probably, I think, a good return man for us. So I think that's a good pickup for us. Let's go over here. Bust out these badge packs right quick. We'll just hope for some elites. Gold right off the bat. That's good. Silver. Come on, bronze. Come on. Let's get elite badge. Oh, they're not gonna do it. We already hit that gold right off the bat, so they know we're gonna get that elite badge. But let's open the next one. Let's go. Come on, elite. Come on, elite. Oh my God, they're trolling us with these bronze badges. Come on, don't troll us like that. Come on. Oh, there we go. I was for sure thinking we're gonna get elite if they're just gonna troll us with these bronze. Look at this. Unreal. Let's go ahead and bust out these packs. Come on. Let's go. Deshaun Jackson right off the bat. How fast is he this year on here? He's got to be fast. 91. Mari Cooper. Ben Harsock. Luke Fish. Andy Reid. Oh! John Randall, top game week 2. Raymond James Stadium, Sam Bradford. Come on, don't do this. Don't do this. Come on. We need some elites. Julius Peppers. All right, Julius Peppers. John Beeson. Oh! Terrell Davis, 1997. Brown. Vikings D. Evan. Dietrich Smith. Come on with it. Don't do us. Don't do it to us, EA. Do not do it to us. God. We've been loyal. D'Amico Ryans. Averill. Come on. Maybe we're doing this too fast. Maybe we need to slow it down a little bit. Bernard. Larry Donald. Tom Coughlin. Bush. Oh! We don't want stuff like this. We want elite players. We don't want these elite items. The hell's elite item gonna do to us? We want elite players. Don't do us. Don't do us, EA. We've been loyal. These hoes ain't loyal. Come on. We got 3 more packs. Hit us. Bill. Robinson. How fast is Eldman? Come on. 83. Slow as get out. He's just a great slot receiver. Demario Davis. Is that what you're gonna do? You're just gonna give us some of this weak ass elite week 7 seasons? I haven't even really looked at these sets, man. I don't even know how many cards will go even in these sets. But I want elite players. I don't want elite cards that have to go in the sets. I mean, come on. Give us something good, EA. Don't do us. A Legends badge. Lewis, Baker, Andrew, Orwell. Man, these legend packs are brutal. God. We down to 1 more pack. Man, let's open up our topper. I can't. We gotta switch it up. Let's open a topper. Bear Brooks. Brian Finnegan. Oh my God, remember him? If you guys watched the highlight film of last season, that boy tore us up. Last pack. Can we get elite player? Is it impossible to pull elites out of here? I think they just give us elites items. I mean, I just don't. Terrell Davis, week 4. And thank you. Thank you. Finally. It took 6 packs, but we finally pulled elite Andrew Luck. Thank you. Look at this. Let's compare. It's got to be a lot better than. Well, let's compare it to him. Speed the same. Short, middle, deep. Wow. 82 compared to his 67. Definitely a good pickup. Definitely will help our team out for sure. Andrew Luck. Thank you. EA was tired of hearing us bitch, or hearing me bitch about it, so they ended up throwing us a bone by giving us Andrew Luck. Still very disappointed. Definitely did not like this legendary bundle. Definitely was not rewarding at all. Just one elite player outside these stupid elite items that I can probably care less, because it'll probably take so much time and money just to get the players. I'd much rather see elite players, but there you go, guys. Season 3 bundle opening. Be sure to catch my other videos, and I'll go back in a later future video, show you what the team looks like, give you guys a little idea what the team standing is right now. But thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you next time on the crew.